Hello everyone, and you read the title. I'm going to be showing you all of the basic and key factors that you'll need to be able to operate a collaboration project on GitHub. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to add a collaborator to your GitHub repository, which will allow them to see and access all of the files that you upload or pull or push to your repository. So the first thing we're definitely going to want to do is press My Repository right here, or whatever your repository name is. For now, I'm just going to be using a repository called My Repository. And then I'm going to want to come over to where it says Settings. And then I want to come to where it says Manage Access. And then press Add People. And I already made a test account in advance, so I'm just going to go ahead and get the username of the test account. Now this would be the username of whoever you want to add, but you need their case-sensitive username, and it should show up right about there. So you just press their username, and then press Add whoever you're trying to add. So once you've added your collaborator, you're going to see a screen that looks something like this, and it's going to say awaiting username's response. Now once you've done that, if you are the person that's trying to accept the response from the other person, but you don't know exactly how to do that, all you need to do is log into your email, and then the first thing you'll see at the very top is that someone invited you to whatever their repository name is. So just go ahead and click on that, and then just click View Invitation. Then you're going to have to sign in right up here. And then just press Accept Invitation. And now you have access to the repository, but as you can see, it's probably not going to be on your system just yet. And the only way you'd be able to do anything is by downloading it. But that's not exactly what we want. We want to be able to push and pull the updates that other people that are in the repository do. So say if I create an update, then say my friend would also see that update on their machine. So what you need to do first inside of your terminal is go to your root directory by just doing cd and then do mkdir and then put any name here you want. For now, I'm just going to do collab tutorial and then do cd into collab tutorial or whatever you named your file as. And now we're inside of your collab tutorial directory. So we just do ls, as you can see, it's an empty directory and there's nothing inside of it. What we need to do first is do mkdir and do, let's do collab files. Or in this case, I'm just going to call it actually my directory. Then I'm going to press ls. As you can see, there's something here called my directory. What we need to do next is do git clone. And then go back to the GitHub site really quick and press code and then go to the HTTPS link and then copy this and then go back here, paste it in, and then do my directory and then for whatever your name was for this file that's inside of the ls, and then press enter. Now as you can see, Git just cloned everything to my directory. So we go into cd my directory, then ls. We can see that the same file here is the same file that's inside of this directory. And if you don't believe me, just go ahead and click inside of this file, and then it says collaborator message, and then we do open test. As you can see, there's something here that says collaborator message testing, and that's the same exact message that was inside of the GitHub. If you made changes to any of these files and you want your friends to see these changes, what you're going to need to do is, first of all, as you can see, there's already Git initialized, so we don't need to worry about that. What you need to do is, for example, if I just go ahead and make changes here, we say collaborate message, it really doesn't matter what you put in here, I'm just going to put anything. Inside the terminal, I'm going to do git status. As you can see, there's something in here that now says modified test. If I do git add space dot, enter, and then git status again. As you can see, modified test is now green, meaning it's been added to the commit. So next I just do git commit -m and then whatever message you want inside of this. So if c -m, it means it's going to be adding a message. So just put whatever message you want inside of here. I'm going to put added some. Now as you can see, it's been added to the git commit. And if I do key status again, there's nothing in here that's been modified. So next we just have to do git push -u origin main. As you can see, it's already worked first try, but for you guys, it might be asking for your email or password, which in that case, follow this tutorial that I'm about to show up on the screen, and that should allow you to insert your password and username if it's asking for that. And if it's your first time committing to a repository on your terminal, it might be asking for that. So next, if I just go back to the repository and I press reload, as you can see, there's a new thing in here that says Collaborator and a whole bunch of weird stuff that I put inside of the actual repository earlier. And if I go back to my repository, it says the recent repository that was added 2 minutes ago says added some random text to the test file. So as you can see, the test file has actually linked over. This will actually show on the other person's account. So I'm on my other person's account right now, and it does actually show, and all of the changes have shown. If I also wanted to, I could just go ahead and say something random like nice commit and comment that. And then on this other account, if I just go ahead and reload, inside of this page right here, I can see the comment that says nice commit. And then really quick, just to show you what would happen if someone else makes an update and then you want to see the update. If I just quickly go to branch main and then put something inside here, let me just do let me just say edited file, and then I go ahead and commit changes. Then if I go back to my terminal and I do ls, then I do open test, as you can see, the changes haven't actually came across yet, even though inside of the GitHub it says edited file and I edited it here. That's because there's one more step that we need to do, which involves going back to the terminal and doing git pull. And now it's just updated the test file, which was edited by another peer or collaborator that was potentially adding updates to the file. So if I go ahead and close the test file and then do open test, as you can see, now it says edited file inside of here. And if I go back to my other account and I go back to the Git, as you can see, it now says edited file here, and the commit came across every single computer. So just remember, if any collaborator has updated a commit to the GitHub, but you haven't actually seen it yet, just remember to do git pull. And then as you can see, it's going to show you if anyone has actually sent an update, and if they have, it will update your repository. But if no collaborator has sent any type of commit or update to your repository or directory, then your directory will stay the same and it will just tell you already up to date. So git pull to receive updates. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that you'll need to know for GitHub collaboration. If you have any questions, join the Discord server. The link is in the description down below and in the YouTube comment section. I will help you with all your questions there. So we have a full out type of help center that I created that will help you with any problems that you may be having on the GitHub or on anything, like literally anything. It'll help you out with Unity, literally Minecraft command blocks, like everything, Python, HTML, CSS, every single code language, because I know a lot of code languages and I want to help you guys out. So if you just go ahead and join that Discord server, if you want to, invite some friends, and yeah, I'll help all your questions and answer them if you have any. So yeah, thanks again for watching this video. That was how you collaborate with GitHub. We'll see you in the next one.